back to my channel. This is a video that I haven't do this for a while, but I bought this cushion from Japan and I haven't tried it. So today we're going to try it out to see if it's worth it, because this one is hype when I was in Japan, but now they have a new one. It's called the cover AI filter. This one is all cover cushion. So the other one is have a better in review. So I ordered the other one. I'm gonna moisturize in my face. I use this tone up primer from SK2. Anything that needs to do heavy makeup, you can wear it at ease on a normal regular day to just go out real quick. It's toned up really well. See, after I use the primer, it's toned up really nicely, very natural. Cushion, the TIRTIR Mask Fit or Cover Cushion, SPF 50+, PA 3+, called Mask Shield 72 hours day coverage. I bought the color at 21. I don't know why I have to seal it this much. It's like a little bit annoying to remove the tape. This one is full size and this one is in a travel size, so I want to try the color out. This one I think it's a Juice 21W, but it's turned out it's too yellow for me. And this one, that's why I choose this one, 21 and nude. Open it. Usually I tend to use a little bit lighter color, so this one is considered a bit dark. So from the experience and all the review that I watch, I ordered the AI cushion in a lighter color in the 17N instead of 21. And this one, so you should try to order a one tone lighter so it's not too dark for your skin. This one, the color is good, but I want it to be a little bit lighter in color. So let me finish this half of the face and then we'll compare. Coverage, I think for the first layer the coverage is about medium to high. It's kind of cover the red spot or like the blemishes that I have right now, but if you want more coverage you can do another layer. This is dark for me compared to my usual color. It's matching my neck, but it doesn't really brighten up my skin. So next time if I'm gonna reorder this cushion, I'm gonna have to get a lighter color, lighter shade. But overall, I definitely use an eyebrow color to line up my brow because I want a more natural makeup. So the eyebrow, deciding if your face look natural and younger or it's gonna look older and like dull, is not good. This color is not bright enough. I'm gonna highlight my face with this concealer, brightening concealer from the Saem. You see? I cover my pimple with the Saem number 1.5. Just a little bit. Okay, from what I learned on TikTok tutorial, I need to set my face up first before I put my powder on, so I can set my face. This all-nighter from Urban Decay. You set it with my favorite powder, Carson. To fold it so I can go into those details. Just learn my kind of shape, so I can't usually I contour this area and the bottom, but now I try to contour the higher of my cheek because I have a higher cheekbone, so I feel like it's make my face a little bit bigger, like it's pointing out, so I'm trying to minimal the area, so I always contour this now, contour a little triangle. So I'm gonna do this to just make my face a little bit not pointing out. And then follow this. You see the difference yet? I'll start from here. Make a little triangle. Going down your face. I mean, it depends. Still depends on your face shape, but for me, I just think that it's helped my face look. Or the nose. I think you already see the shape of your nose. I have a little area I want to make it taller, higher, so I usually focus on this, but still based on the shape, like the shadow on my nose, where its darker area is. And highlight, I'm using the same brush. Use these highlight the cheekbone. Look at that. Popular, so I'm going to use it today for my eyes. Use the light color all over my shade. For the bottom. Palette for the blush too. Use this brush. Get a light pink. Mix these two colors. This one is palette from Rizzy. I think it's from one of the Korean influencer or beauty blogger, and she have his own brand, so she had this eyeliner palette. Eyeliner, this look really nice. I'm gonna try to show you. It's like adding on to the Judydoll. Plan. Maybe we still need to go to the market.
Okay.
And maybe we should go to Costco.
Okay. Let's go today. That's pretty cool. You know those old the iMacs, the big monitors with different colors? Someone's using that for their helmet.
Huh? What?
They made that into a helmet.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, Maggie was saying like, oh, that time is not work for the baby since the baby have a problem sleeping this day. And she doesn't do really well. Yeah, I guess. Or maybe she, I don't know if she wanna do at the restaurant like the last time we talked about.
Yeah, that could work too. It's a lot easier for us to we can do our badminton first and then come home, cook it, and then bring it over?
Yeah, that's fine. How's traffic? How's traffic?
It's okay. Not enough to be an issue.